Hi guys, today we're going to learn how to show or hide certain information on our post page. So let's get started. On the Wix editor, we're going to go to Pages into Menu, go to Blog Pages, and then select Post. Click on your post element and go to Settings. Here, go to the Display tab and select which info you'd like to be displayed by ticking the check boxes over here. If you wish to hide something, you can simply untick that checkbox. Also, below, you can decide to either enable or disable your show blog menu, as well as your category labels. Also, this is where you can set up your share and print options. So if you'd like to have this post or have all of your posts be printer friendly, then this is where you can set it up. You just have to enable share and print icons over here and then make sure that print post is selected. So go ahead and set up these things over here according to your needs and preferences, including your related post settings. Once you're done working on them, you can close this window and click on Publish so that the changes you've made will reflect on your live site as well. And that's it. Hope this video was helpful. If you need more Wix tutorials, check out our channel and consider subscribing as well. Thanks for watching and see you guys in the next video.